Hey guys, how's it going? I am so excited to finally be able to introduce you to our full Garden Answer collection of augers. We've had the 2 and 3 inch Laura editions available for a while, but we have added the 5, 7, and 9 inch to the collection. All still made by Power Planter. They make a great auger, the best auger I have ever used. We still carry the other versions that they produce on our website, but with these, we've made some changes that are both exclusive and amazing for gardeners. The first change is the length. All of these augers are 36 inches tall. I am 5'4", Aaron is 6'1". Both of us prefer this length. It's so nice when you're going out to plant to not have to bend over. The whole point of having an auger is to make the job easier, faster, better for your body. And if you're constantly having to hunch over or get up and down because your auger is too short, that kind of defeats the purpose. So we've tried out lots of different lengths. 36 inches is wonderful, especially for these bigger ones, because the other ones you start out hunching, and as you dig the hole deeper, you end up in a deeper hunch. It's so bad on my back. So this one, you start a little bit higher, and then as you dig the hole, you're still upright when the hole is done being dug. It's just awesome. The second change is that we have reduced the amount of flighting, which is this curved metal piece at the bottom of each one of these augers, which makes them weigh a lot less. So for example, this 9-inch diameter auger weighs 3.5 pounds less than the traditional one, all while being longer, so you're not having to hunch over. Oh, it just makes such a difference. They also have on the 5, 7, and 9 inch, the heavy duty tip integrated into the design, as well as the 1/2 inch hex bit at the top. Now, when using the 5, 7, and 9 inch augers, I do recommend that you use a 60-volt drill with the handle for more stability. The 2 smaller ones, you can get away with a 20-volt drill. Still use the handle though. I always recommend that. So that's it, you guys. That is our Garden Answer collection of augers. I'm just so thrilled about it. We do have them available on our website if you want to pick one of them up. I just feel like it is so worth it as we go along in our gardening journey. If we can make things more efficient, easier on our bodies, it's worth every effort to make that happen.